In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Outlook View to default. Whether you've been experimenting with various layouts or simply feel that your Outlook is looking cluttered, resetting the view can bring it back to a clean and familiar state. It's a straightforward process, but let's walk through it step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, you'll want to open Outlook on your computer. If it's already running, just make sure you have the window visible. Outlook should be in the state you most commonly use. Perhaps it's set to show your inbox or maybe your calendar. Once Outlook is open and you're ready, we'll move on to the next step. Navigating to the View tab is our next goal. The tabs are found at the top of the Outlook window. They're part of the ribbon, which is where Outlook organizes many of its features. You'll find the View tab among others like Home, Send, Receive, and Folder. Go ahead and click on View to open the options available under this tab. Now under the View tab, we're looking for an option called Reset View. This feature is designed to revert any changes you've previously made back to the default state, which is how Outlook originally appears when you first start using it. Clicking Reset View is a quick and effective way to remove any unwanted customizations or reorganizations you've applied over time. After you click on Reset View, you might see a prompt asking you to confirm your decision. This is Outlook's way of ensuring that you truly intend to erase your personalized settings and return to the default view. It's an important step because this action cannot be undone. If you're absolutely certain about resetting, go ahead and confirm the prompt. If you have second thoughts, you can choose to cancel and revisit your decision later. By following these steps, you'll have successfully reset your Outlook view to its default configuration. This can often relieve any feelings of being overwhelmed by too many customizations, bringing back a sense of simplicity to your daily email management. It's a small task that can make a big difference in how you interact with Outlook on a day-to-day basis. If you're someone who enjoys exploring Outlook's many features and customizations, don't worry. You can always go back and tailor the view to your liking at any time. But knowing how to reset it easily provides a safety net, allowing you to play around without concern. Thank you for watching today, and I hope this guide has helped you restore Outlook to a clean and organized state. Remember to like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials.